Where is the vaccine? That's a question many Venezuelans are beginning to ask. It's really delayed compared to other countries, said this man. According to the government, it will arrive in April, but let's see, another Caracas resident told us. So what's going on? President Nicolás Maduro, whose government has overseen a 7-year recession and is currently facing US sanctions, blames the delay on outside forces.
The resources that Venezuela needs to buy vaccines, they're keeping frozen and stolen from us. In England, in Portugal, in Spain, in the United States. They have the money frozen and stolen so that Venezuela is without the vaccine. That is the truth.
The Maduro argument, which is disputed, is that those governments which back opposition leader Juan Guaidó as president of the country are blocking funds. One example Maduro cites is the UK, where nearly $2 billion worth of Venezuelan gold is in limbo, amid a court battle over who exactly the British government actually recognizes as Venezuela's president. In the United States, some Venezuelan resources, such as the refiner Citgo, a subsidiary of Venezuela's state oil company, are administered by Guaidó's coalition. Guaidó has said he would be happy to push for the release of funds to buy vaccines, as long as the Maduro government commits to allowing independent agencies like the UN to oversee the vaccination program. Maduro has not agreed to that. Separately, the Pan American Health Organization has at least 1.4 million vaccines reserved for use in Venezuela. But Venezuela, which owes that organization $11 million in back payments, has been told it needs to pay for them by Tuesday or risk losing out.
The medical experts warn that mixing politics and COVID could be dangerous. They say this is the time for agreement, not discussion.
Dr. Manuel Figuera is an infectologist in Caracas, currently treating COVID-19 patients.
Politics is everywhere in Venezuela, that's sadly, because we have bigger problems than politics. Politicians should take a word that the people are suffering from COVID and from other problems. It's time to get help from everywhere, inside and outside Venezuela.
The logistical challenge of vaccinating an entire population, he warned, needs everyone working together and soon. Stephen Gibbs, CGTN, Caracas.